Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, for the past 30 days, I tried out these two most popular online side hustle, which is freelancing, affiliate marketing, to find out the one that was going to make me the most money. So guys, one made me passive income and the other made me instant income. Let's say one of them surprised me big time. So guys, let's get right into it. So I started with affiliate marketing using Depsell. On your Chrome browser, just type depsell.com and it's going to take you straight down to Depsell platform. Now this platform actually helps you find trending products and give you ready to use affiliate links, and also a platform where you can get your ready to use website. As you can see, very much easy to navigate. So first off, you log into your Depsell. I already have an account with Depsell, so you can create an account, and this is how the platform looks like. When you log into Depsell, pick any digital products you believe in. On my next video, I'm going to actually show you how to pick digital products to sell. Now, when you're done, copy your unique link, and when you're done copying your link, you start posting your links in so many blogs, create YouTube shorts talking about the benefits of your products. Now this is how much I've made so far on this product. As you can see, total I've made about $1,000 plus, as you can see. So this is actually how much I made with affiliate marketing. Let's talk about freelancing. I offer SEO and digital marketing services on Fiverr. I created a professional looking gig, showcased my past results, and started sending out customer offers. I landed 3 clients in the first 2 weeks. One needed Facebook ads and the other needed SEO optimization, and the last paid for a full digital strategy. So after about 30 days, I made a total of $6,000, almost $6,000 from freelancing. So guys, here's the final breakdown after 30 days. On your screen right there, you see that freelancing made me the most money. It took more work, but the income was solid and immediate. Then, so affiliate marketing, slow to grow, is actually great for a long-term passive income once your traffic grows. So guys, if you need money so fast, I think the best side hustle I would recommend for you is to try freelancing. This is, for me, it might be quite easier for you out there, but for me, the best side hustle I ever tried that made me the most money was actually freelancing. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to show you how I will make my first $1,000 online if I start from the scratch. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Thank you.